Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are the words that describes noun, right? That add something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. For example, a young boy, right? A cruel master. So, young is an adjective. Similarly, in cruel master, cruel is an adjective. Right students? Adjectives answer such questions. For example, जैसे कि what kind, which one, how many. So इस तरह के questions को वो answer करते हैं adjectives. Adjectives noun के बारे में additional information देते हैं. जैसे कि मैंने आपसे बात की इन अ क्रूअल मास्टर, तो क्रूअल मास्टर के बारे में बताया. मास्टर यहाँ पर क्या है? नाउन. तो मास्टर कैसा है, राइट? तो क्रूअल इज एन एडजेक्टिव हेयर. क्लियर? नाउ काइंड्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स. सो देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स, राइट? In your book there are 6 kinds of adjectives: adjectives of quality or descriptive adjectives, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of numbers. Quantity and numbers को हम अलग अलग करेंगे, right? And third is demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives and interrogative adjectives. So these are the kinds of adjectives. One by one हम इसको discuss करेंगे. First is adjective of quality, qualitative or descriptive adjectives. So students, these adjectives tell us about the quality of a person. For example, its size, journal description, age, shape, color. Example, tall, excellent. These kinds of words are adjectives. The tall girl is my classmate. The students achieved excellent results. Here, tall and excellent are adjectives of quality because they denote the quality of nouns. Girls and results, right? So, these adjectives answer the questions of what kind. Clear? Look at this exercise of your book. Fill in the blanks with adjectives of quality. My father is going to sell the dash car. तो यहाँ पर आपको fill in the blanks, यहाँ पर आपको fill करने हैं adjectives of quality. तो कार के बारे में बता रहे हैं कि कौन सी कार को सेल करना है. He is going to sell the old car. Right? So old is here adjective of quality. Now you will do this exercise, right? Next is adjective of quantity, telling how much. These adjectives help to show the amount or the approximate amount of a noun or pronoun. These adjectives tell us the quantity of a thing or a person. These adjectives do not provide exact number. Exact number हमें नहीं बताते. They tell us about the quantity of a thing or a person. All, half, many, few, little, no, enough. These are adjectives of quantity. They have finished most of the rice. Many people came to visit the fair. So here, some and many. These are adjectives of quantity. So these adjectives answer the question how much. कितने राइस उन्होंने फिनिश किए. How much they have finished. Right? Many people came to visit the fair. Here, most and many are adjectives of quantity or amount because they denote the quantity of the nouns. Rice and people. Clear? Look at this exercise. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ क्वालिटी. अब यहाँ पे आपने क्वांटिटी के बारे में बताना है कि हाउ मच, कितना. लुक एट द फर्स्ट फिल अप. डैश चिल्ड्रन केम टू द पार्क टू प्ले. मैनी चिल्ड्रन, राइट? मैनी चिल्ड्रन केम टू पार्क टू प्ले. Can you give me dash oranges? Can you give me some oranges? So here you will fill the quantity of a thing or person, right? How much? You have to remember these adjectives answer the question how much, right? Next is adjective of numbers. These adjectives are used to show the number of nouns and their place in an order. Right? Number of nouns, how many? These adjectives answer the questions how many. Right? They are definite numeral numbers. Definite numeral numbers, those which clearly denote an exact number of a noun. Exact number or exact order now of noun के बारे में बताते हैं. For example, 1, 2, 3, 33. Right? Also known as cardinal. And first, second, third, seventh, these are known as ordinal, and they show exact number of nouns or the order of the nouns, right? And next होते हैं indefinite numeral adjectives. इस तरह के जो adjectives होते हैं ये exact numerical amount नहीं बताते. Those adjectives that do not give an exact numerical amounts, but just give a general idea of the amount, like some, many, few, any, several, all. There were many people present at the meeting. So here many is an adjective. तो ये हमें exact numbers नहीं बता रहे, इनको कहते हैं indefinite numeral adjectives. Right? You have to remember these adjectives answer the question how many. Right? It may be definite or it may be indefinite numeral adjective. Right? Look at this exercise. Fill in the blanks with adjective of number. अब यहाँ पे आप indefinite और definite दोनों तरह की numbers आप fill कर सकते हो according to the sentence. Dash robbers enter the flat today. It may be 5 or it may be 3. Right? 3 भी हो सकता है और 5 robbers भी हो सकते हैं. The dash girl from the right won the trophy. यहाँ पर जो girl है यहाँ पर indefinite हम number adjective of number use करेंगे. The second girl or it may be the third girl. Yes, from the right won the trophy. Clear? You will do this exercise. Next is demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives are used to point out person or things. For example, this, these, that, those. This is my friend Diana. Those books belong to her. Right? These adjectives answer the question which. Right? These adjectives are used to point out the nouns. Right? These adjectives point out the person, place or thing concerned. Right? This, that, these, those, these kinds of adjectives. And you have to remember here, again I'm telling you, they answer the question which. This book is difficult to read. Which book? Right? तो which क्या है यहाँ पर? Demonstrative adjective. Here you can see, fill in the blanks with demonstrative adjective. Dash bananas are stale. I don't want to eat them. So plural के लिए you will use these. Right? जो भी पास की चीज़ें हैं उनके लिए सिंगुलर है तो दिस, प्लूरल है तो आप यूज़ करोगे दीज. और जो चीज़ें आपसे दूर हैं सिंगुलर के लिए यू विल यूज़ दैट एंड प्लूरल के लिए दोज. क्लियर? Oh, dash topic is so boring that I hardly paid any attention to the speech. So here you can see a singular topic की बात हो रही है. Oh, this topic is so boring. Clear? Next is interrogative adjectives. Used to ask questions. So these kinds of adjective used with noun to ask questions. Which pencil is mine? For example, adjectives are what, whose, where, why, how, and which. Whose pen is this? Which way shall we go? Right? Whose, which. These are interrogative adjectives. Right? And you have to remember these adjectives are used to ask questions. Right? Which pencil is mine? तो वो पूछ रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं किसी चीज़ के बारे में कि किस पेंसिल, ठीक है, कि कौन सी पेंसिल मेरी है. राइट? Look at this exercise. Fill in the blanks with interrogative adjectives. Can someone tell me dash pen is this? तो कोई मुझे बता सकता है कि ये किसका पेन है? Whose pen is this? राइट? सो आपको इन जितने भी इस एक्सरसाइज में आपको फिल करना है द वर्ड्स लाइक विच, व्हाट, हुज. राइट? तो इस तरीके के वर्ड्स आपको फिल करने हैं. एंड possessive adjectives. These adjectives used to show possession or belongings. My, your, his, her, our, theirs, these kinds of adjectives. This is her hat, sorry. Their parents came to my house yesterday. So these words her, their, my show possession or belonging. And these adjectives answer the question whose, किसकी. This is her hat. किसकी hat है? Hers, right? So these adjectives show belongings. The words, you have to remember these words. The words are, my, your, her, his, its, theirs, etc. when used attributively before a noun are called possessive adjectives. Right? Look at this exercise. Fill in the blanks with possessive adjective. The dog wagged dash tail happily. He wagged, it wagged its tail, right? The woman scolded dash son, her son. So these kinds of words shows possession. So you have to fill here possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives answer the question whose, kiska, right? So students, you have to do all these exercise of adjectives.